Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In today's video, we'll be discussing about an annoying Windows 11 23H2 bug that put users in shock. Microsoft Answers is full of threads where users reporting that after installing KB546633 update for Windows 11 version 23H2, they started seeing message on Windows update screen that is, get the newer version of Windows to stay up to date. Your version of Windows has reached the end of service. What's shocking about this message is Microsoft official documentation says that the service support for Windows 11 version 23H2 will end on November 11, 2025. So to dig deep into the issue, when I click the learn more link next to message, it redirects Windows 10 support article on Microsoft site. It says you are seeing this notification because version of Windows 10 is out of service. It seems like Microsoft want to show this message to users running Windows 11 version 22H2 because its service support is ended on October 8, 2024. And due to some bug, the same message started appearing for the users running Windows 11 version 23H2. On one of the thread on Microsoft Answers, one independent advisor confirmed the same that it's a bug which actually makes sense and Windows 11 23H2 service is not ending support service till November 11, 2025. So if you are running the Windows 11 version 23H2 and started seeing the same message after the update, then just ignore it as it's a bug. I'm sure Microsoft is aware of this bug, which they will resolve soon. On the other hand, if you are running older version of Windows 11 that is 22H2, then I recommend those users to upgrade to latest version either to 23H2 or 24H2 for keep enjoying the service support. Whenever I get more information on this, I will keep you in the loop. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.